this little shock that we're going to put on here is supposed to slow that down. So I'm going to do it before and after, just because that's how we roll. Right on. The Maverick. All right, my wife's 2025 Ford Maverick. And hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. We got a new part to put on, which is right here. It's tailgate assist. She bought it off of Ford's website because we got some points when we bought the vehicle. I do not recommend buying it off of Ford's website because it was exactly $50, and the exact same part you can get on Amazon for 28 bucks. So they say it's a factory part, but I don't think DEE.com is a Ford factory part company. So maybe they are, I don't know. But buy it on Amazon. I don't recommend spending the extra money. And they charge shipping unless you go to a dealership to pick it up. So I'm gonna try to get things laid out here and get this thing slammed on there. Stand by. All right, I'm getting ready to put this tailgate assist on, but just opened up the bag and I need a T50 torque nut. One of these guys. I was hoping it came in the bag or the box. It doesn't. So I'm gonna have to borrow one. I'll go buy one. Man, that's to take off the big latch piece on the bed of the truck. So that little bag had these clips in there, which are actually spare clips. They're already attached to the shock on the top and bottom, but I guess if you have to take this thing apart, they gave you a couple of extra clips. All right, these are my torque bit set that I had to buy. I need to take this one off and this bracket off. This is supposed to be T50, this is supposed to be T30. So we'll, I didn't have the T50, so I had to buy these. I'll put a link in the description. It's like $7. And I can't see if these even have sides listed on them. Nope. That's it right there. This is a T50. See if this works. I knew this was going to be on there tight. I'm going to twist that right off.
24 hours later.
Had to call in a professional for this part. Did it break loose?
It broke loose.
Hell yeah. What's the name of your garage?
After Hours Cars and Customs.
Hell yeah, brother.
Sweet, man.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome.
So we're going to try to slap this little shock on now from start to finish. First thing I need to do is take this off without the camera falling over and without losing all my tools. This is a 50. That's the one I needed help with. Got a little windage coming in. Now I need to take this off. There's one on the side and one on the top. They're not very tight either. Okay. Now we gotta put this guy on. Looks like it only goes on one way. I'll snug everything up after I get it all put back together. And then this guy here, this is the part that I'm concerned about. Alright, this guy has to go on now, and I have to get an Allen wrench to fit this right here. So let's do that. Now this has got thread locker on it already to prevent this bolt from spinning, this nut from spinning inside this hole down here and falling inside the tailgate, which, knowing my luck, it's probably going to happen. So I got to put this piece on now, and it goes on like this, and somehow this goes inside this hole and grabs itself on that nut. I see how that works. This is what I'm dealing with. This hole with this piece of hardware that has to go in and get notched and tightened with that blue thread locker on, which is stronger than what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to take it down, back it out, and then try again. Golly, man. Okay, now I'm all the way down. I don't think this is going to come off. Once I get it in there, it's still tight. Ooh. Try her again. And this nut is not coming off. Thread locker's doing what it's supposed to do, plus some. think we got it. I think we got it. She ain't going anywhere. Ooh, this is hot. I'm laying in the sun. So this supposedly just snaps on. And then snaps on down here. I'm snapping this bad boy on. It's go time. She's on. She's on. Holy moly. So this bracket is voided, which I guess there's some complaints about. What I'm going to do is take the bolts and put them back on. I got some stainless steel washers, so those are going to go back on. We'll do that real quick. But I first need to test this. Hopefully I don't need to adjust this. Here we go. Close in. There we go. It worked. That is freaking amazing. This little shock that we're going to put on here is supposed to slow that down. So I'm going to do it before and after, just. Because that's how we roll. Right on. The Maverick. Okay, I'm going to do a quick summary of this installation. First of all, buy this part on Amazon. Don't go to the Ford dealership. They're the exact same parts. Ford charges $50. You can get it on Amazon for $28. This top bolt here takes a T50 torque bit. This was tough to get off. I had to call in a favor from my buddy Cole, who owns After Hours Cars and Customs. This bracket came off very easily. You need a T30 torque bit for that. You're also going to need an Allen wrench or an Allen bit set to put this final plate on. The nut and bolt for this final plate has thread locker on it. I recommend that you drive that bolt on there and down to the base and back out a couple of times to loosen that up, because it wasn't going to go in unless you did that with the way the system is set up. So I recommend this product. It works out pretty good. We've had it on for about a week. Hit the like and subscribe button if the video helped you out.
I caught you a delicious bass.
All right, I'm going to do a summary video. This is the DEE ZEE Tailgate Assist. My first point I want to make is don't buy this directly from Ford. You can get the exact same part on Amazon for about half the cost. It's $28 on Amazon. It was $50 from Ford. It's an aftermarket part, but Ford listed his factory. The tools you're going to need is a 50. God dang it, man! I always hit the stop button. All right, I'm going to do a quick summary video for our tailgate assist. First of all, do not buy this part from Ford. That's my recommendation. You can get the exact same part on Amazon for $28. This was $50 from Ford. They show it as hit the stop button. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick summary video. First point I wanna make is do not buy this part from Ford. It's $50 there, and you get the exact same part on Amazon for $28 with free shipping. There'll be a link for that in the description. The torque bits that I used, I bought on Amazon. You also see a link for those in the descriptions. You need a 50 and a 30. The 50 takes this bolt out, the 30 takes these two bolts out for this bracket over there. You're also going to need a Allen wrench, and I got Allen bits that I actually used to take, or actually to put this part on. Okay, hit stop. You're going to have to come over on this. Okay, I'm going to do a quick summary video for this tailgate assist. My first point is to not hit stop. Okay, I'm going to do a quick, what am I supposed to say? Alright, I'm going to do a quick summary of this. Stop it. Alright, what are you laughing for?
How can I not?
Oh. Alright, I'm going to do a quick summary for this job that we just did. My first point is do not buy this part. Why are you laughing? You're the one that's laughing. Alright, I'm going to do... Alright, I'm going to do a quick summary of this little fucking thing.
Jesus Christ.
Keep it cool. Hold on. All right. This thing again. Let's keep it going. All right, I'm gonna do a quick summary of this tailgate assist assembly. First point I want to make is don't buy this directly from Ford. It was $50. You can get the exact same part on Amazon for $28. There will be a link in the description.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it. May God have mercy on your soul.